Welcome to WAG Sports Reviews. In this video, we're looking at the newest Adidas SL22 cricket shoe, my favorite cricket shoe on the Adidas lineup. And in this 2020 range, Adidas have done lots of work on this shoe, consistently with their range throughout the whole thing. So let me talk to you about its features. In terms of the midsole on this shoe, Adidas are using the Adiprene Plus midsole, which is their cricket-specific midsole. But this one is slightly different. You can see how it's nice and thin in the forefoot area and then rises up more towards the heel. That is because they've designed the shoe to be much closer to the ground, offering really good grip to cricketers who like to use their feet a lot. So specialist batters and spinners, this is a shoe that is ideal for you. You also see this clip that extends to the back, which has been consistently a feature of the SL22 cricket shoe over the last few years, offering you a bit of counterbalance and a wider landing area when you land on the heel of the shoe. Speaking of the outsole, you get a 7+2 spike layout, making the shoe forefoot aggressive, which offers you really good tread in the forefoot area. Having only 2 heel spikes in the back will give you a relatively lightweight shoe, making mobility much easier. You also get all these Adidas traction rubbers, which offer you supreme grip when you're treading on the turf or in the field. And also, if you want to go to the nest, all you need to do is just take these spikes out and these rubbers will do the job just as good, if not better. Now, where the biggest change in this shoe comes is the upper of the shoe with the whole Adidas 2020 lineup. This also has what I think is the best aesthetic on the whole 2020 lineup that Adidas have made. Talking about the material used on the upper, you can see this cloth-like material. This is a knit that Adidas have curated for their cricket lineup. It is very close to the prime knit that Adidas use on their top-end runners. So that offers you really good ventilation and comfort. But what they've done to reinforce a little bit of strength here is they've fused the knit with TPU in the whole forefoot area so that you don't lose any sort of protection in that area. There's also this rubber and TPU sort of mold here at the toe to protect you against Yorkers. This is a really hard material, so it gives you all that protection in this area. Now, talking about the heel of the shoe, you get the same heel cage that you see on the Howzat spike. To ensure better ventilation, Adidas also have all of these ventilation slits over here and on the inner part of your foot so that the shoe really breathes well as well. In terms of the lip of the shoe, you get a really soft mesh-lined tongue so that the shoe fits on quite snug and quite soft. All in all, probably the best shoe that Adidas make in my opinion, and is also a choice of some really popular international cricketers like Ravi Jadeja. So if you like this shoe, you can walk into one of our stores or get it online.